Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram problem. So if you are facing issue where you are getting message displayed that a group picture, channel or something like that cannot be displayed within the Telegram app. So the main reason this happens is because your Telegram profile is actually filtering out sensitive content, and because of that, it's giving you the message that it cannot be displayed that content on Telegram. So I will show you how you can turn that off, then hopefully this message is no longer displayed. So get started with fixing cannot be displayed in Telegram. The first thing we need to do is just open up the browser, because unfortunately the setting is not available within the Telegram app. So let's open a browser. I'm going for Chrome here. Now go for this web.telegram.org. Go ahead and log into your account. Then once you are logged into the Telegram account, select the three horizontal lines in the top left. Now if you don't see that, select the back button and then select the three horizontal lines in the top left to open up the menu, and then once in the menu, select settings. All we need to do is select privacy and security, and then in privacy and security scroll down until we see sensitive content. We just want to select the check here so that it disables the filtering of sensitive content on Telegram. Now that we made this change, we can simply back out all the way to the Telegram. And then what I recommend doing, if you are using the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android phone, to ensure that this settings is updated within the app, simply close the Telegram app and then reopen it, and that should update the settings with the app for you. Now you can easily view the content that was being blocked. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.